NCD. Welcome to the KSA Assessment Center. So, magkaroon po ng assessment is to evaluate your skills and knowledge in accordance with the competency standards. Please ensure that you are prepared to follow the standards. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our test representative, Ms. Brittany Seta.
Good morning, everyone. I am Brittany Seta. I am the representative from Regional Office.
And Ms. Andrea Maria, the Assessment Center Manager.
My name is Andrea Maria from TESDA.
So, bago tayo mag-start, so, check ko muna yung attendance mo and pwede mo kami tayo for verification. Miss Talavera. Pakipirmahan na lang po. Ano po yung mga application nyo? Tama naman yung inyong details and information na nandito. So, welcome ulit sa ating assessment center. At bago tayo magsimula, is makahanap muna tayo ng isang orientation. So, aware naman tayo sa ating bago-yaman ngayon. So, yun, at NDA po din ratio. Bago magsimula assessment ng magpalabas-labas, kung gusto nyo na mag-CR ay pwede nyo gawin tapos sa orientation na. And then, by the tayo magsisimula na at kailangan, ready na kayo, prepare na kayo at nawal lang taluhan, syempre, assessment ko. Bibigyan ko muna ako ng papel. Lalaman po kayo ay kayo po ay monitor sa CCTV na personality na daw. So, pwede nyo po kayo makakita na yung website. Ngayon, pwede na po kayo mag-proceed sa inyong gagawin at good luck at sana po kayo makakat and 2 hours para perform to yung gagawin ngayon.
Hi, ma'am. I'm that reading.
Providing table service for fine dining restaurant. As a
Good
guest,
morning, ma'am. Welcome to Hotel Luna. Do you have any reservation? None. May I suggest a table for you, ma'am? Yes, please. Table for how many? For one. Smoking or non-smoking? Non-smoking. This way, please. Will this place will be alright for you, ma'am? Yes. Please have a seat, ma'am. And fold the table natin for you, ma'am. Yes, please. Excuse me. Would you like to have some glass of water, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is our menu for your selection. Okay, ma'am. This is your bread. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you need anything else?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I'll be back to get your order. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order now? Our menu for today is grilled chicken and crab and pork soup.
Yes, let me have a grilled chicken and soup.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to try our beef steak, ma'am?
No, I'm already.
How about baked potato?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? Your order is grilled chicken and crab and pork soup. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I take the menu card? Thank you, ma'am, and excuse. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to have some drinks? Here is our wine list for your selection. May I take your order, ma'am?
Okay, let me have a Carlo Rossi.
Okay, ma'am. You ordered Carlo Rossi. Would that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
Would you like to serve your drink after the main course, ma'am?
Allergy Rossi.
Our main course will be served at 10-15 minutes. Would that be alright for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your grilled chicken salad. And here is your crab and pork soup. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear your table?
Yes, please. So, how do you feel? Kung hindi ko kaya ko yung ginagawa namin. Kasi parang nagkaroon na kayo sa tingin mo, nag-perform mo na ayos. Kung ano ba mga interview, if I can wax or plus to me, how do you handle customer complaints? So, if the customer complains, first I will know, first is the problem, then I have a problem with the customer, then kung kinakailangan ko ang snacks para ma-resolve I will coordinate the manager along the problem Mas dito, maayos mo naman na na-perform ng bata. Congratulations to our president. And pwede ka naman proceed sa picture para sa certificate at that's the amount of money. Again, congratulations and pwede ka naman proceed. How do you feel during the success? Sa tingin mo, saan ang pinaka-nila? Sa pag-table. Kasi parang ko lang hindi ba rin ito mga graduation. Kung wala makapahan, and then tuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo ng pag-focus ka lang. Kung tumatay bulas ni Mary ka lang mag-isipan mo ba decide na yung sa maayos na oras. Tingin ko kung dito oras mo pero pwede ka naman mabilang sa ulit. And kung hindi mo hindi fair judgment, kasi yung pwede ka naman mag-akin sa SR local companies para sa legal reasons. Sige, thank you. Still congratulations.